Welcome to this beautiful 8-bedroom, 5-bathroom vacation rental here at the Retreat in Champions Gate, Florida. Not only does this home come fully furnished, but there are solid bookings in place giving you more peace of mind with this amazing investment opportunity. I'm Nathan Meyer with the Home Squad team brokered by eXp Realty. Let's go check out this beautiful private pool home. All right, this amazing opportunity isn't going to be here forever, so if you want more information, let me know. My name is Nathan Meyer, the Real Estate Transformer. Let's create a deal. Have a good day.